You've landed on Paracord Planet, and in this video, we'll continue our astrology bracelet series with Gemini. Gemini are extremely talkative and curious individuals. In Greek mythology, their constellation is a set of twins. That's why we were inspired by the Blaze of Glory design by @SlayerParacord on Instagram because it features a two-color, two-strand core with a mirrored pattern on each side. We'll go ahead and link that original post in our video description. Now let's talk supplies. For this weave, you'll need roughly 6 feet or 2 meters of any yellow 550 paracord and 6 feet or 2 meters of electric blue and neon pink stripes 550 paracord. We chose these colors because they are bright and cheerful, but if you look closely, one is made up of 2 different threads showing the subtle indecisiveness of this air sign. You'll also need a 5/8 inch pink buckle, scissors, lighter, jig, lacing needle, and optional knotter's tool. Now let's begin. First, adjust the jig to fit the distance around your wrist plus about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Then, attach the buckle. Next, take electric blue and neon pink stripes, which is kind of a mouthful, so we'll just call it stripes from now on, and make a fold about a foot into the cord. Pass that fold down through the front of the top buckle, and pull your running ends through the fold to make a cow hitch knot. Then do the same with your yellow cord. At the bottom of your jig, take the shorter stripes running end down through the front of the buckle. Then pass it over what will become your core strand so that the running end is facing the middle of the bracelet. Then take it up through the back of the buckle and under the bite you just created. Next, trim that end, hold it next to a lighter flame for a few seconds, and use the bottom of your lighter or a knotter's tool to press it down. Now do the same thing with the yellow cord. Now you're ready to start the weave. First, pass the stripes running end over the cord to the right and up through the core center, making sure to go above the pass you just made. And tighten. Then pass that same running end over the core to the left and up through the core center, once again going above the pass you just made, and tighten again. Now with yellow, pass it over the core to the left and up through the core center. Then pass that same running end over the core to the right and up through core center, once again making sure to go over the pass you just made, and tighten. Continue this process until you reach the end of your bracelet core. To finish the bracelet, trim whichever running end is on the side of your bracelet about 1/4 of an inch away from the weave. Then, melt it with a lighter for 3 to 6 seconds and use a knotter's tool or the bottom of your lighter to flatten it down and hold it in place. Next, grab the running end on the front of your weave and trim it at an angle. Then melt that end for a second or two before lining it up with the bottom of your lacing needle and twisting clockwise until the cord is firmly attached. Now pass the tip of that lacing needle over your last knot and down through the center of your bracelet core. Then unclip your bracelet from the jig, and finally trim, melt, and flatten the remaining end. So here's how the finished Gemini bracelet should look. And here it is compared to the rest of our astrology weaves so far. Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more paracord related content. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.